Store-bought snacks and treats tend to be pricey and usually more unhealthy than homemade options. Over the years, we have discovered several homemade snacks which keep my kids, well, and all of us, happy in the snack department. Today, I want to share 3 of those recipes with you. Does anyone feel like store-bought granola bars have been shrinking in size and going up in price? I certainly have, and so homemade granola bars is a perfect option to cut costs and to know exactly what ingredients are going into your snacks. This recipe is so simple and so flexible. Let's get started. To a large bowl, add in 2½ cups organic rolled oats, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of organic coconut flakes, and 1 cup of what I will call extra ingredients. You can add in toasted walnuts, almonds, pecans, dried cherries, whatever your family will enjoy. Today I'm adding in chocolate chips and chopped, roasted, and salted pistachios. All right, let's give this a good mix. Next, add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and mix it again well. Okay, now we're going to add in 1/3 cup of avocado oil, 1/3 cup of raw honey, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I like to take a measuring cup and add the oil first, then you pour the honey on top of the oil so that your honey does not stick to the side of your container. Mix well. Line an 8x8 pan with 2 strips of parchment, creating a crisscross. Put the mixture in your pan and place another piece of parchment on top. Press down evenly. And I'd like to say, press down nice and hard during this part. Now we're going to bake our granola bars at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Once we are done baking, they need to cool completely before we cut them into granola bars. I even pop them into the fridge or the freezer to make the process move more quickly. Now that these are cool, we are ready to cut them. This is a great recipe to keep around for quick grab-and-go snacks that are healthy and cost-effective. And the best part is, you can make them different every time and keep it new and fresh. I hope you enjoy these homemade granola bars like we do. I love when you come up with a snack idea that doesn't have crazy, difficult, obscure ingredients. This homemade snack is nutritious and delicious and can be made in just 5 minutes. First, I'm going to take our dates and cut off the very end and then slit down the middle. Then I'm going to open up the date and pull out the pit. Next, I'm going to hand the dates over to Julianne, and she is going to fill them with some peanut butter and chopped pecans. And yes, that is it. The beauty about this snack is that if you are allergic to any of the ingredients or you don't enjoy some of the ingredients, you can simply swap them out for whatever your family will enjoy. For example, if your family does not like peanut butter, switch it to almond or cashew butter. And if your kids don't enjoy nuts at all, you can simply swap out the nuts for raisins or chocolate chips, whatever they will like. And though you can enjoy these snacks right away, our favorite way is to store them in the freezer and pull them out one by one for an amazing, delicious treat whenever we need a little sweet snack. I want to share with you a homemade snack recipe that we call Power Balls. I have been making this homemade snack for over 17 years, and it is still a go-to recipe for me and my kids. We take these as snacks in the car, to the park, on a road trip, to church, really anywhere. Okay, let's get started. To a large bowl, add in 1 cup organic old-fashioned or rolled oats, 2/3 cup organic shredded coconut, 1/2 cup creamy peanut butter, 2 tablespoons chia seeds, 1/2 cup raisins, and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Now I'm going to give this a real good mix. Last but not least, I'm going to add in 1/3 cup raw honey and combine it thoroughly. Now I'm just gonna cover this and throw it into the fridge to let it cool and harden up before I try to roll it into bite-sized balls. Okay, our batter is cooled, and now I'm going to roll these out, put them in a nice container, and I like to store them in the fridge. It just keeps them together nicely. This is a wonderful go-to snack idea simply because you can change it up each time you make it. You can make these power balls with flax seeds, dried cherries or cranberries, chocolate chips. The possibilities are pretty much endless. Give this a try, and I hope your family enjoys this healthy snack as much as we do.